Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Premier Sotheby's listings, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin configuring Premier Sotheby's listings, navigate to the Premier Sotheby's International Realty website. Log in to your account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the Listings tab in the main menu. Click on the Manage Listings option to access your current listings. Select the listing you wish to configure from the displayed list. Review the existing details of the listing for accuracy. To edit any information, click the Edit button next to the desired section. Make necessary updates such as price, description, or property features. To upload new images, scroll to the Gallery section. Click the Upload Images button and select photos from your device. Ensure that the images are high quality and accurately represent the property. After uploading, arrange the images in the preferred order by dragging them. Next, review the property specifications to confirm they are correct. If any specifications need adjustments, make those changes accordingly. Once all edits are complete, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Click on the Save Changes button to store your updates. To preview your listing, click on the View Listing option. This will allow you to see how the listing appears to potential buyers. If everything looks good, you are ready to share your listing. If additional configuration is needed, repeat the previous steps as necessary. Finally, log out of your account to secure your session. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.